Hi, this is Luke, and these are fast, tight doubles using Duo from Antares. So, why would I use an auto doubler? Well, Duo is great for convincing doubles for when the singer isn't available or is unable to sing the part twice. And Duo can give me some really organic sounding doubles with just the right amount of nuance in there for effect.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun. Keep your motor running till the evening comes. You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun. Keep your motor running till the evening comes. You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun. Keep your motor running till the evening comes.
So as you can see, it's a simple interface in Duo with very self-explanatory controls. I can help Duo along by entering the correct vocal range for my particular part. The thing to bear in mind about Duo's variation controls, the pitch variation and the timing variation, is the fact that they introduce randomness, which would not be possible using a cyclic modulation effect. The beauty is I can have the timing variations turned all the way down for super tight doubles and change things like the pitch.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun. Keep your motor running till the evening comes.
I can also introduce an element of vibrato to the double, but Duo also features Antares' own throat modelling technology, so negative values will give me a shorter vocal tract.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun.
Whereas positive values do the opposite.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun.
So some extra variation there if I need it. At the moment, I have both my original and my double panned centrally because that's always a great test for any auto doubler. But of course, I can open out the panorama if I want to. I like to pan my doubles this way round.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun.
Just a bit of extra dimension there if I need it. And Duo has generous internal headroom, so I'm actually using a trim downstream of Duo to get the level that I want. And you may have noticed earlier that Duo has an instruments range as well. And it's doing a nice job just to provide me with a second part for my acoustic guitar as well. So in context and using Duo, I have useful, controllable doubling for vocals and instruments.
You gotta keep on sailing closer to the sun. Keep your motor running till the evening comes.
To find out more about Duo from Antares, head over to the Production Experts blog where you can read our full article.